Yeah. Welcome back to Auto Insight, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Suzuki Alto, a car that perfectly blends efficiency, practicality, and affordability. Whether you're a city dweller looking for a compact daily driver or a budget-conscious buyer seeking reliability, the Alto might just tick all your boxes. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Suzuki Alto comes with a fresh, modern exterior that's both stylish and functional. The updated front fascia features sharper headlights, a more prominent grille, and sleeker lines, giving it a more confident and dynamic look. Despite its compact size, the Alto exudes a sense of charm that's hard to ignore. Under the hood, Suzuki has equipped the Alto with a peppy 660cc engine, available in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged variants, depending on the market. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission, offering a smooth and efficient driving experience. Its lightweight build ensures excellent fuel economy, which is one of the Alto's strongest selling points. Expect impressive mileage figures that make it an ideal choice for daily commutes. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin for a car of this size. Suzuki has maximized interior space with clever design, offering ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard has been refreshed with a more user-friendly layout, featuring an optional touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. While the materials are simple, the build quality feels solid and durable, reflecting the Alto's practical nature. And you know, where my first, Mhm. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Alto doesn't compromise. It includes basic safety features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and an optional advanced driver assistance system in higher trims. These features ensure peace of mind, especially for families or new drivers. And the Alto also shines in terms of affordability. Its competitive price point, coupled with low running costs and Suzuki's reputation for reliability, makes it a standout choice in the compact car segment. It's a car designed to meet the needs of those who value practicality without breaking the bank. Um, so is the 2025 Suzuki Alto the perfect compact car for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Insight for more reviews and updates on the latest cars hitting the market. Stay tuned for our next video. And as always, drive safe,